Hi everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials, and this is a continuation of the videos which I'm making part by part. Okay, and this I suppose is the sixth part of the video on functions. Okay, and as you know, I'm dealing with the IGCSE curriculum, and I'm referring to a book called David Reyner, and in fact it's the fourth edition, right? Yes, it's the fourth edition, David Renner book. And in that particular book, from the chapter functions, from the one of the topic functions, I was doing exercise 11, and I had already completed 25 questions from that exercise, and now only three questions are left from this exercise, that is 11 20 question number 26, 27, and 28, which I'm going to complete in this video itself. Okay, so let's get started with, and yeah, so here we go. Fine. And this is question number 26, right? Question number 26 I'm starting with. Now question number 26 says that, now let us tick mark this question over here. The function f is defined as, so we can always denote a function in this way: f semicolon and then x and then an arrow mark. Okay, and you can write whatever the function is, so it is ax plus b. This is one of the ways of denoting a function. There's another way of denoting the same function. It's simply f of x equal to ax plus b. I keep on repeating this notation because you should become very much familiar with the notation in this foreign author books. Normally this type of notation is given, and in Indian books this is the type of notation which is used. Okay, so you should not get confused with them. Okay, so this is a function, and you have to find out the values of a and b. Okay, a and b you have to find out. These are the constants, and it has been given that f of 1 is equal to 8, and f of 4, is it f of 4? Yeah, f of 4 is equal to 17. Now these are the things given, so you have to find out a and b. Okay, that's question number 26. So let us get started. Now, since f of x is equal to ax plus b, so using this f of 1 equal to 8, I can write f of 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b, that is equal to a plus b. But this f of 1 is given to me as 8, so I write this a plus b equal to 8. Okay. Now, another thing that is given is f of 4, which is equal to 17. Okay, so f of 4, if I plug in here, it will be a into 4 plus b. This can be written as 4a plus b. And this f of 4 ka value is given to me as 17, so I can write this as 17 over here. Now, can you see here I'm getting two simultaneous equations, linear equations. Okay, so if I solve these two simultaneous equations, I can get the values of a and b, right? So let me solve these two simultaneous equations. Okay, so if I do one thing, if I subtract this equation 1, now suppose this is 1 and this is 2. Now simultaneous equations, so you must have dealt with in your lower classes, but still I'll do for you. So equation 1 minus equation 2, if you do, okay, then you will get, or rather 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, if you do, equation 2 minus equation 1, 4a minus a will be 3a, and this b minus b will be gone, so it will be 0. And here I'll get 17 minus 8, which is 9, I suppose, right? 17 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, that's correct. So from here, I get 3a equal to 9, which gives me a is equal to 3. So I got the value for a. Now this a ka value I'll plug in any one of these equations. So let me plug it in this equation. So a plus b equal to 8. No? So in this equation, I'll take a as 3. So 3 plus b will be equal to 8. Now this will give me b is equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So I got the answer for this A and B for 26, and the answer is A equal to 3 and B is equal to 5, right? Okay. Now let us quickly go to question number 27. So question number 27, okay, it says the function g is defined as, now here he has defined the function in this way, g of x equal to ax square plus b, right? Okay, right. Now where a and b are constants, okay, so moreover he has given that g of 2 is equal to 3 and g of minus 3 is equal to 13. These are the things he has given, and he has asked us to find the value of find a and b, right? So similar to the question number 26. Okay, so g of x is equal to ax square plus b. So according to that, g of 2 will be equal to a into 2 square plus b, which can be written as 4a plus b. And this g of 2 ka value is given as 3, so I'll write 3 over here. Okay, so 4a plus b is equal to 3. Now same way, g of minus 3 will be what in this function a minus 3 square plus b. Now this will work out to 9a plus b, and this value of g of minus 3 is given to me as 13. So again I am getting two simultaneous equations, 1 and 2, and if I solve 2 minus 1, if I do, okay, so I'll get 9a minus 4a should be how much? 5a, okay, and b minus b will be 0, and 13 minus 3 will be 10. So that gives me 5a equal to 10, which means a is equal to 10 upon 5, that is 2. So I get a equal to 2. Now I'll plug in this a equal to 2 in any of this equation. So let me put it in this 4a plus b equal to 3. If I plug in a equal to 2, it will be 4 into 2 plus b equal to 3. That will give me 8 plus b equal to 3. So my b will be equal to 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So the answers that I get is a equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 5. Okay, so that was question number 27. And last but not the least, let us go for question number 28. Okay, now I'm going to print this. Okay, it's okay. So question number 28 will be, okay, slightly I will bring it down. Yeah, I'm getting space, enough space. So question number 28, right? So this is that question, the last one of this exercise. Okay, function h and k are defined as follows. So function h is defined here in this way. So can you see it is written h semicolon x arrow mark x square plus 1. Now this can be written straightforward in this way, x square plus 1, h of x square plus 1. Another function given to you is k semicolon x arrow mark, it's ax plus b, right? Okay, ax plus b, right? Okay, now this can be written as k of x equal to ax plus b, right? And now they have asked you to find out a and b. What are the values of a and b? And what is given is this, h of 0 is equal to k of 0, and they have given you that k of 2 is equal to is it 15? Yeah, 15. Right, this is given, right? Find the value of a and b. Right, so let us try to do this question and finish up with this exercise, right? So yeah, so h of x is equal to x square plus 1 is given, right? So h of x is equal to x square plus 1 is given. From this, if you put h of 0, it should be 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So I get h of 0 equal to 1, right? Now it is given to me that k of x is equal to ax plus b. Okay, so k of 2 should be equal to how much? Now it will be a into 2 plus b, that is equal to 2a plus b. Okay, so I get this 2a plus b. Now k of 2, the value is given to me as 15, so I can write this 15 is equal to 2a plus b. This is one equation I got. Okay, but because there are two variables, I will need two equations in for solving this simultaneous equation. Okay, so if there are two variables in linear equation, you require two equations. I've got only one so far, so let me hunt for the other one. Okay, the hint is k of 0 is also given to us. K of 0 is as good as h of 0. H of 0 you got as 1. So let us find out what will be k of 0. So k of 0 should be equal to, in this function k of x, I'll put x ka value 0, so it will become a into 0 plus b. That makes it b only. Okay, so k of 0 is equal to b, but k of 0 is given to us as k of 0 is equal to h of 0, and h of 0 we have found out to be 1. So can I write k of 0 is equal to 1? Okay, so this k of 0 is equal to 1. So ultimately I'll get b equal to 1. Okay, fine. Now once I get b equal to 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in b value in this equation. So 15 is equal to 2a plus 1. Right? So now 14 will be equal to 2a. That will make a equal to 14 by 2. That's equal to 7. Okay, so my a is equal to 7. So my answers are a equal to 7 and b is equal to 1. Bingo. So our exercise 11 from this chapter functions from the David Reyner book, 4th edition, is complete. And I suppose that we have completed this in 5 and 1 6 videos. Okay, and purposely I had kept the timing of 15 minutes on an average, and that has made it to 6 videos. Okay, so in the next video we'll be starting with exercise 12 of the same chapter functions. Till then, see you, goodbye, take care all of you.